Joining us today to talk about the building's energy system is Pierre de Gagné, Director of Utilities and Campus Sustainability. Hi, Pierre.
Glad to be here.
This building has such an amazing vibe. Even on an overcast day like today, we still get a lot of light. But windows are a problem because they're a major source of heat loss. How do you efficiently heat a building that is so big and that has so many windows?
There's a lot of interesting features, but first you'll notice quite accurately that there's a lot of natural daylight coming in, there's a lot of windows, and it does represent a challenge, but there's also advantages to natural light involving us able to cut back the artificial light that we deliver to the perimeter space. Also, you get heat in the winter during daylight hours coming in natural light.
What about on a cold day? Our winters can get pretty cold. Does that affect the heating of the building?
Absolutely. The other features that help us get the energy budget really low involve two forms of heat recovery. The first one involves all the used air going up to the very top of the building and exchanging its heat with the fresh air coming in. And so on a typical winter day, say minus 25 Celsius, we are able to preheat the fresh air coming in to about 17 Celsius. So minus 25 to plus 17 is pretty substantial. So there's about zero energy budget associated with the ventilation of the building. The next thing we did was we designed the distribution of the heat in the building to be water-based, and the temperature of the water is ultra low. It's the lowest I've ever heard of in Ottawa. It's 40 Celsius or bath water temperature. And so that helps us recover all the waste heat associated with all the equipment, lights, and people in the building.
So you are able to take excess heat from students, computers, and light bulbs and heat the building.
Yeah, doesn't it make you think like the 90s with the 3 R's and waste management? So the principles in the design involve reducing loads through an efficient envelope and heat recovery, and also recycling all the existing heat in the building over and over again.
Today I had the opportunity to interview Pierre de Gagné, Director of Utilities and Campus Sustainability, incredibly involved in ensuring that our campus and that the University of Ottawa is as sustainable as possible.